So you spend hours creating the perfect cold email. You hit send and then you got nothing but depressed crickets. Hi, my name is Carl and I work alongside the geniuses behind GMass, the OG of cold email software, to bring you industry-leading insights, tips, and strategies that'll take your email game to its peak. In this video, I'm going to show you the real reason why your prospects aren't responding to your emails and what you can do to fix it. The truth is, your leads aren't going to ignore you because they just feel like it. The real reason your leads ignore you boils down to one fact. They just don't care. It's harsh, I know, but it's true. So let's sail through a couple of the common reasons why your leads might be ignoring your emails and what you can do to fix it. Reason number one is you're not solving an urgent pain point. The facts are unurgent emails are unimportant emails. This is one of the most common reasons why people's emails get ignored. Even if you're talking about something interesting in your email, if it's not solving a pain point, there's no reason for your prospect to respond. Like all of us, your prospects are drowning in problems, annoying emails, pitches, insurance calls, and ads at every turn. If your solution doesn't hit one of their top priorities right now, then they're just going to ignore you with all the other noise. So here's what you can do to stand above it and grab their attention. Focus on urgency. Frame your email around a pain point that's currently costing them time, money, or customers if they don't solve it right this second with the solution that you're providing. Reason number two, you're not solving it specifically for them. You can always fill an email with someone's details, especially now that AI will look it up for you. People are not going to care if you use their first name, company, a restaurant in their hometown, or the name of their family dog. In fact, that's kind of creepy, if the offer isn't personalized. So don't just recite a person's biography and expect that it'll win them over on an irrelevant offer. Instead, show how your offer solves an urgent need for their specific, unique problem. When you show that you really understand the situation that they're in and you have a plan to fix it, that is the ultimate personalization. Yes, even more than the dog. Reason number three is you don't look credible. Credibility is everything when it comes to grabbing attention, and that applies to almost anything. I face this myself here on the channel, and if I hadn't shared my expertise with you in the beginning of this video, you probably wouldn't be here watching this, so thank you. The point is, even if you nail the problem, no one's going to reply if they don't think you can actually solve it. If your email makes claims but there's no proof to back them up, or worse, it's sloppy with typos and vague promises, your credibility goes out the window. Here's why that is a huge problem. But first, another urgent problem is that you haven't subscribed to this channel. Seriously, you are missing out. We post new videos every week packed to the brim with industry tips, tricks, and strategies that'll make you the Tom Brady of email. Did I sound credible talking about football? Maybe I'm that good. Okay, back to the video. Cold prospects don't know who you are and have no reason to believe that you're the right person for the job. So if you don't establish credibility right at the start, then they're not going to risk their time responding to you. The only solution to this is to build trust up front. To do that, you can use social proof like case studies, client names, or results. Keep your writing clean and add job titles and links in your signature and explain why you're the right person to solve their problem. Reason number four, they don't see value. No one thinks that you're cold emailing them to work for free. Even if you swear you just want to send a free audit or whatever, no one's naive enough to think that that's where the transaction ends. You have to convince them then that they can't afford to leave their problem alone and you're the right person to pay to fix it. This again goes back to things like your social proof, your case studies, your expertise, and how well you understand their problem. If you can nail all four of those things, then suddenly driving up to your doorstep with a truckload of money doesn't seem that ridiculous anymore. Reason number five, your CTA is unclear. If you send a great email, one that's polished, thoughtful, and grabs attention from the get-go, but you don't tell your prospects what to do next, then they're going to save themselves the hassle of asking. Busy leads don't want to guess the next step. They want you to pave the pathway of happiness for them. To make sure that you keep the conversation rolling, end your email with a clear, actionable CTA. Here are a few great examples. Does Tuesday at 2 p.m. work for a 15-minute call? Here's my proposal. Do you have any questions I can answer? Would you like me to send you a video to see it in action? And there you have it. If you can focus on those 5 changes in your next cold email, then your responses are going to start pouring in. But I don't want to end the video there. If you've recently spent a lot of time and energy gathering a bunch of emails for a campaign, then I don't want you to throw away all that potential. So next, I'm going to show you a few expert ways that you can follow up on leads who've recently ignored you to reopen the conversation and win back their attention. Let's talk about saving the lead with follow-ups. Getting ignored by a lead doesn't mean that the conversation is over. Hell, they could have maybe just missed it the first time. They saw it. Let's just pretend that they didn't. When it comes to saving a lead and urging a response, there are 2 methods that you should always try. The first method is to provide new value. Instead of just asking, "Did you see my last email?" try following up with something useful. This can be something like a relevant case study or a new offer worth exploring. This also keeps you from sounding desperate and pushy. And by sharing a link to a relevant case study, a helpful blog post you wrote, appealing ideas, or a simple actionable tip, you're positioning yourself as a helpful resource and not just a salesperson. And the second method is being persistent but not a pest. You can't just spam your prospects with a million different follow-ups. You need a smart follow-up schedule. For example, a follow-up after 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, and then a final email. Consistency shows that you're professional and that you're interested, but spacing your emails out prevents you from being annoying. Now, this is only truly effective when paired with step 1. Make sure that you provide new value in one way or another with each follow-up that you send. And remember, just because you can send 100 emails to your prospects, doesn't mean that you should. Now, this all sounds great in theory, but let's be honest. It takes a lot of work to manually create cold email campaigns, then track each client individually, remember to follow up, and time them perfectly. Now, this is where a tool like GMass can take all of that weight completely off your shoulders. GMass is a Chrome extension that helps you automate this entire process so that you can focus on what you do best, your work. Not only is GMass way more affordable than most of the email tools out there that require thousands of dollars up front, but it is ridiculously easy to use. GMass integrates directly into Gmail, giving you all of the powers of an email marketing software without requiring you to navigate a complicated third-party app or decipher technical jargon. Here are a few ways that GMass can help you keep the conversation flowing towards a deal. First feature is automated follow-ups. GMass can send a series of automated follow-up emails for you, ensuring that you never have to manually track down a client again. These follow-ups can be tailored with mail merge to keep them personal, and you can set them with specific parameters, like if the recipient hasn't opened, clicked, or replied to your email, so that your follow-ups never land uninvited. This also allows you to plan in advance so that when you don't get a response, you don't have to lift a finger, which sure beats chasing leads like a headless chicken. Second feature is advanced personalization. With GMass, you can go beyond just using first names in your emails, which significantly increases your chances of getting a reply. You can use powerful personalization features so that your emails feel truly personalized and professional. This can be done at scale for outreach so that you can start the conversation with more people faster. Feature number 3 is inline A/B testing. Sometimes prospects don't ignore you because they're uninterested, but because your message just didn't quite land right. GMass makes it easy to A/B test subject lines, email copy, and calls to action so that you can figure out what exactly sparks replies instead of silence. By testing small variations, you learn whether your audience responds better to a casual tone or a more direct one, a question in the subject line, or a bold statement. Over time, these insights help you send messages that hit the mark the first time, reducing the chances of your email getting opened and then ignored. And feature number 4 is the spam solver. Everyone's first response when they don't get replies to their emails is that they must have landed in spam, but this is rarely the case. Still, to cover all of your bases, GMass has a unique spam solver tool that tests your email on our own internal inboxes to predict where it's headed: spam, inbox, or the promotions tab. Not just that, but it even gives you actionable suggestions on how to tweak your email for better deliverability. And you can run this test as many times as you need until you're in the clear. This is a no-brainer feature to use every time you're about to send out an important email or campaign. So here's the key takeaway. Getting ignored isn't some weird fluke or a curse. It is the direct result of you not making enough of an impact to make your cold emails matter. When you target real problems for your prospects, communicate your value clearly, make your credentials do the talking for you, and keep your follow-ups personal and consistent, your emails will be near impossible to ignore. And when you do it with the help of GMass, you're not just hoping for the best. You're running smarter, sharper, and more reliable outreach that drives sales. If you enjoyed this video, then please consider giving it a like and subscribing to our channel. We post new videos like this every week, packed with email tips, tricks, and strategies that level up your email game, or just make emailing less painful. And if you'd like to learn more about GMass, then you can check out our website linked in the video description, or you can download the GMass extension right from the Chrome store and start your free trial. You're not going to regret it. For now, thank you for watching and happy emailing.